In a fast-moving world where you're bombarded with information, data, news, all the time, every day, in real time, you want to take decisions. How is it going to happen? This can't be done without the power of technology. Over a period, all of us have developed processes of deciding what we want to buy and what we want to sell. But these processes have to be executed using different platforms, using different data. But what if we can put all the data in one place and create technological means of scanning it and presenting the data in front of you within nanoseconds? And then to take a big leap forward, what if we can simply talk to the software and say that I want to find all the valuable stocks that are extremely overbought right now. How about that combination? And then you'd want the technology to use its artificial intelligence to tell you where exactly that is happening. Now that's the power of technology that we're really trying to put in your hands with the application of Strike. You've just seen some parts of it, but when you actually look at it, these scans are the next level of really drilling down what you want to look at. And then when you start doing fundamental scans, you'll be able to even do it across, the entire financial data of a company that is really available. And then the big AI job is, let's combine the two and give you a conclusion within seconds. That's the power of AI and technology that can actually be used in taking decisions on a day-to-day basis. Around the world, many different methods have been applied. A lot of big hedge funds have tried to put black boxes. But how can we really do it for investors and traders? And that's what Strike is really attempting to do.